Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make beautiful pictures of your molecules using Diamond software. First of all, you need to download this software from the internet. It is freely available. You can download trial version for free. Okay, now I have already downloaded and installed it on my computer. So I will simply open a zip file. So click on open, import a zip file. Next, 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 finish. So this window will appear. Simply right click here, click on get the molecule. So this is the molecule which I have imported in the Diamond software, right? Now I want to edit this molecule. Like I want to edit the color of the atoms, radii of the atoms, design of the bonds, like I want to make them thicker. I want to change color of the bonds. So all that I can do from here. First of all, I want to tell you some options here. This option is for selection, like this arrow. So I click here. I want to select this atom, I will click on this atom. I want to select this, I will click here. If I want to select multiple atoms, I will press Control and then I will click on those atoms. They will be selected. Fine. Similarly, this option is for the rotation of molecule. You see, you can see molecule from different angles so that you have better view. Okay. Similarly, this option is for rotating molecule in XY axis, right? Like this. And this option is for shifting of the molecule on this window. Sometimes while editing, this molecule gets shifted towards corner or somewhere. So we can bring it back to the center. Similarly, this option is for zoom in and zoom out. So as per your convenience, you can keep the size of the molecule using this zoom in, zoom out option, right? So before I go for the editing of all these things, I would like to remove some unnecessary bonds from here. I will select and delete. Okay, so I have just deleted unnecessary bonds from the molecule. Now, while making beautiful pictures for the manuscript, we generally do not keep hydrogens in there. So we simply delete hydrogens. So we, in the caption, we generally write hydrogen atoms omitted for the clarity. So we do not keep CH bonds. We just remove. So as we can see here on the benzene rings, there are CH bonds. This is CH bond, CH bond, CH bond. So all these bonds needed to be removed. So what we do, we simply go to the pictures. We go bond and contact designs. We find out this is the list of the bonds present in the molecule. We just found out, we'll just find out CH bond. This is CH bond. Okay, go here in the style, make it invisible. It will disappear. And okay, so all the CH bond disappeared. Okay, so molecule became clearer, right? Now I want to edit, suppose color of some atom, suppose these atoms. I want to edit. I will simply select those atoms and go to edit atom design. From here, I want to just change the color to the dark green. I will just change. I want to increase the radii. I will increase from here. Okay. So see, color of these atoms changed. In this way, you can change color of different atoms, but you have to always keep in mind no two type of atoms should have same color. Like carbon should have one color, nitrogen have different color, and chlorine should have different color. All class of atoms should have different colors. Okay, so you see all the carbons are having you know this color, gray color, right? Chlorine is having dark green color. In this way, you can keep the atoms according to your choice. So you can change the color. Now you can edit these bonds. I suppose I don't like the color of these bonds, so I will simply press Control A, all selected. Now I will click right, then I'll go to Edit Bond Design. Simply I'll change color from here. Suppose I like this color as you. Now I can increase the radius of these bonds. I will simply increase like this. Okay. Now see, bonds became thicker and they look more clearer and they are beautiful. So now I want to just save this picture for my manuscript. So I will go here, go to Save As. There are three options of saving this picture: in the graphics form, in the PNG or JPG format, or in the diamond format, or in the document format. So I want this in the JPG format. I will click here. I will save it on desktop. These are the dimensions of this. These are default dimensions, or you can change from here. You can change width and height of the pictures. So I will just keep default values. Click here. The picture saved on my desktop. From here, I can see this is the picture which I have saved now. Fine. This is how you can save these pictures. Now, what you can do, suppose you want to add the level of some of the atoms. Suppose I want to add level on the metal atom. Simply, I'll go and select those atoms. Right click, go to add atom level. Okay. So atom level got added. Fine. Similarly, you can do it for any of the atom. Fine. Sometimes what you do, you need to add polyhedral view of particular atom, or you can see the geometry around a particular atom. Similar, just I want to see the geometry around these cobalt atoms. Fine. I will simply select them. Fine. Select them. Right click here. Then go to add polyhedra. Okay. So polyhedra will be added. Now one second. What I'll do, I'll only do for few atoms. Right? One, two. Yes. So you can see around the metal center there is octahedral geometry. You can see this is the polyhedral view of this molecule, right? So it looks beautiful. You want to change the color of this polyhedron, you can change the color of atom. It will appear accordingly. Okay. You can save this in your on your computer and you can use this picture also. Fine. So this is how you edit molecules in the diamond. You can make beautiful pictures for your manuscript. So in this video, only this much. We will discuss some more features of diamond and mercury and other softwares also. Stay tuned with this channel. Thank you so much for watching. In case you really liking these videos, you can subscribe the channel. Thank you.